Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Madani Islamic Academy. Viewers, today we will continue our lesson number 12 from Madani Qaida, Ikhfa. Before starting our lesson, kindly subscribe my channel. Let's start the lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. What is Ikhfa? Ikhfa is the second case of Noon Sakin and Tanween. The definition of Ikhfa is what is the rule of Ikhfa? If any Ikhfa letter comes after a Noon Sakin or Tanween, then Ikhfa will be done, that is Ghunna, nasalization will be done. What is Ghunna? We will learn in this lesson as well. How many Ikhfa letters are there? There are 15 Ikhfa letters are there, and they are ta, tha, jim, dal, ral, za, sin, shin, sod, dot, to, ra, fa, qaf, kaf. These are the 15 Ikhfa letters. What is Noon Sakin? The letter Noon Sakin can be written as like this. Here Noon is Sakin because Noon has Jazm sign, Sukoon sign or Sakina sign on it. This is Noon Sakin. What is Ghunna or nasalization? Ghunna means taking the sound into the nose. What is the duration or length of Ghunna? The duration of Ghunna should be equal to 1 alif. What is Sakin letter or silent letter? As we have learned that any letter which has this sign, this is Sukoon sign, Jazm sign or Sakina sign. Any letter which has this sign on it is called Sakina letter or silent letter. How we pronounce the Sakina letter or silent letter? The Sakina letter will be pronounced with the mutaharrik letter coming before it. What is mutaharrik letter? Any letter which has zabar, zer, pesh, khada zabar or vertical zabar, khada zer or vertical zer on it or below it is called mutaharrik letter. What is tanween? Two zabar, two zer, two pesh are called tanween. In fact, tanween is a Noon Sakin that is at the end of the word. This is why tanween sounds like a Noon Sakin. For example, Hamza to zabar an, Hamza to zer in, Hamza to pesh un, an, in, un. This lesson also comprises all the previous lessons, that is harakat, tanween, the letters of madda, vertical or khadi harakat, the letters of deen, the letters of kalkala and the sakina letter. How we perform Ikhfa? We will learn with examples. Let's see the first example. Hamza Noon Zabar An, Fa Pesh Fu, Fu, Sin Zer Si, Fu Si, Kaf Mim Pesh Kum, Fusikum. Here Ikhfa rule is happening here because there is Ikhfa letter comes after Noon Sakin. Here Noon is Sakin because Noon has Jazm sign or Sakina sign on it. We perform Ikhfa with Ghunna. Ghunna means taking the sound into nose. The duration of gunna should be equal to 1 alif. How we perform Ikhfa with gunna? Anfusikum, anfusikum. The next example is, let's spell ya noon zabar ya, khaf pesh qu, yaqu, dad waw pesh du, yaqulu, noon zabarna, yaquluna. Here Ikhfa rule is happening here because there is Ikhfa letter comes after noon sakin. Here noon is sakin because noon has jazm sign or sakin sign on it, and this is also mustaliya letter, and this is dod is also a mustaliya letter. Mustaliya letters pronounced with thicker voice in every condition, and there is pesh before vaw sakin. This is vaw madda. Madda letters we pronounce by stretching up to 1 alif or 2 harakat. How we perform Ikhfa with gunna here? Yaquluna, yaquluna. These are the examples of Ikhfa. In next videos we will continue with more example. We will learn Ikhfa with gunna. Thanks for watching. Kindly visit my website madaniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.